No one dies of a broken heart. All you need is to know what you want. Say what you want from me, and it will come to be. Tonight I lead and you will follow. Tonight the time has come at last. 'Cause what you believe is a mystery, it will unravel. And what you dream will come to pass. You become what you believe. It's a world of possibilities. You can touch what you can see. Be open to receive. Come and put your thoughts in action. Can you feel the power of attraction? We become what we imagine. Use your power of attraction. Whatever you want, whatever you need, it will become what you believe. It might be so close you can taste it. Alright, there in your open